Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-thru for a special remix. No audio on the last one. We're going to redo this problem, and actually we're going to do it better, okay? So, this is problem 14 from 10.2. What did we learn in 10.2? We learned that if two chords are congruent, then the distances from the center are congruent. Okay? And that's what we're going to need to do to solve this proof. And in doing so, I think we're about ready to do something you've never had to do, and so that's the only thing that makes this not a good proof problem. So, we'll start over here. What's given is right above, so I'll save a little time, and I'm not going to rewrite it. Okay, here's the part where I don't love, because you've never done this before, but okay, you'd have to say draw segments OY, comma OX perpendicular to PO and TS. Okay? And that's from any point a perpendicular line can be drawn to a line. Yeah. Okay, I would accept 2 points to determine a line for that too. Okay, so that was kind of the magic. Now we're going to draw RO. Draw RO, because 2 points determine a line. Okay. And from here, the proof goes pretty quick. Okay. I think we got enough room to just put it right here. Step 4. RO is congruent to RO by reflexive. Okay. And YO is congruent to XO by, if two chords are congruent, then, if two chords, yes, are congruent, then they are equidistant from the center. Okay? Now I can say that triangle YOR is congruent to triangle XOR by HL. If you're wondering where I said it was a right angle, I guess I didn't. So I said they were perpendicular, but I never stated they were right angle, so minus 1 point. Now I can say that YR, let's see, what am I getting at here? YR. Okay, wow, this is going to be tough. Is congruent to XR by CPCTC. And then I will say that YQ is congruent to YP and XS is congruent to SR. And my reason would be the segment, the segment that represents the distance from the center of the circle to a chord is the perpendicular bisector of that chord. Holy cow. If a segment represents the distance from a center to a chord, then that segment is the perpendicular bisector of the chord. Okay? Then I can say that, back to the picture, YQ is congruent to XS and my reason would be transitive. No. Let's see. It will be segment division. If two segments are congruent and they are bisected, then the resulting segments are congruent. And now, finally, I can say that RQ is congruent to RS by segment subtraction. That's a 9. Boom.